Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix the screen dimming issue on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So to fix this issue, first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here click on display. Now in display, here you will see a adaptive brightness button, so turn off this button, and after turning off this button, if you have switched to the dark mode, then switch to light mode, and after doing this your problem will be fixed. But if you are still facing the problem, then the second solution is open settings, scroll down to the end, and here click on general management, and now in general management scroll down and click on reset. Now here scroll down and click on reset accessibility settings, and then click on reset settings option here to reset your accessibility settings. So when you will click on reset settings option here, it will reset all your accessibility settings, but it will not delete any data from your mobile. So I hope it will fix your problem, but if it doesn't fix your problem, then the last solution is try restarting your mobile. So to restart your mobile, swipe down and click on this power icon, and then click on restart, and then again click on this restart icon to restart your mobile. And after restarting, your problem will be 100% fixed. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.